SAP 5O5 World Championships here in Aarhus, Denmark. Hi, I'm Tucker Thompson, and we are in the home stretch of this 505 sailing marathon. Yesterday's varying conditions brought about very different styles of sailing, both upwind and down. A closer look at the SAP analytics confirms this, but somehow, above it all, Germany's Wolfgang Hunger and Julian Kleiner have found just the right formula to stay in the lead. Today, the breeze is back up and the boats are back on the water as we begin race number 8. It's been a long wait on the water, but finally the breeze has filled in. The committee's decided to get a race in. Howie Hamlin and Andy Zinn get this race going as the Rabbit. Storm cells have been dancing around the area. This latest one has generated plenty of breeze for the race. Impressively, Hunger and Kleiner work their way towards the front of the fleet again. As the breeze increases, so does their lead. Hunger and Kleiner in first again. Our German leaders made the right work, and now the rest of the fleet piles in from that side as the breeze increases. Power reaching are what 5-0s love the best, and that's what they do downwind. But still, more than 2/3 of the fleet has yet to round the mark. What's more, this storm continues to advance on the fleet. The breeze is picking up. Some boats come very close to finding the edge. Good recovery. Oh, maybe not. At the bottom of the track, the fleet is already well spread out. The breeze has pulled more to the right as the fleet heads back upwind. Hunger and Kleiner continue to play the breeze coming off of the storm cell. More rain, more breeze at the top mark, more boat speed for Hunger and Kleiner as they prepare for the set. It's getting really nasty out here. These 505s are leaping up over the waves. The wind is increasing, so is the rain, and I'm sure we haven't seen the worst of it yet. At the leeward mark, the fleet continues on. On the final leg, it's a power reach to the finish. But in sailing, anything can happen, and in this race it has. Ted Conrads and Brian Haines have won the race just barely over Hunger and Kleiner, who take second. And so it was a long but successful day for Hunger and Kleiner again, as their second place finish enabled them to keep their grasp on first overall. The question now is, can they put one more good one together tomorrow? We'll see as we conclude the SAP 505 World Championships. Until then, I'm Tucker Thompson.